Guys, today's topic is what are the signs of those girls who are not interested in you. I'll keep it short and I would request you to watch my full video. Don't skip or else you will miss a lot of things. So let's start the topic. Guys, first and the foremost thing, girls help you when they like you. They never play hard to get. This is the biggest myth spread by lots of people and in film industry that girls play hard to get. I've written some points, but this you need to understand girls don't play hard to get. They help you when they like you. She won't make it tough for you. If a girl, for example, if you ask any girl for their number and if they give their email ID or their Insta ID, or maybe if they take your number instead of giving their number to you, that means it's clear that she is not interested in you. If you keep trying, you'll waste your own time till the time you get embarrassed. Okay? See, I had one guy friend of mine who had the similar situation and he kept on pursuing the same girl for such a long time. She just gave the Insta ID. But she used to come regular at one place. So, after giving the Insta ID, she didn't contact him, but this guy met her at some place, at a regular place, and he kept on pursuing this girl till the time it became an embarrassment for him and her. He didn't understand that it's a waste of time pursuing that girl who has given him the Insta ID, who has not given her number. So remember, if a girl gives Insta ID, Instagram ID, or your phone number she takes, that's bullshit. She is not interested in you. Okay? No matter what you do, her mind won't change. Okay? Her mind won't change. Actions speaks louder than words. What I mean by this is, focus on her actions. Actions never lie of a lady. She may say something, but mean something else. But actions, if you focus, which normally guys don't, then you will see some other outcome. You know? So remember that. See, for example, I'll give you an example. If she had a job interview, okay, on a particular day, would she give some shitty excuse? A girl will never break a date. For example, if she gave you her number, that also doesn't prove that 100% she is interested in you. But yeah, that's a good sign that she may be interested in you if she has given her number. But still, it's not 100%. The consistency of her in long term and time will tell whether she likes you or not or loves you or not. Okay? So, for example, she will never break the date. But if she breaks the date and gives some shitty excuse, like I have to take my dog outside for a walk or something like that, then that means she's not interested in you. Imagine if she had an interview, would she give the same excuse of dog? No, for a job, right? Because her interest is there in the job. Similarly, if she is not interested in you, she will give shitty excuses like this. But if she has interest, she will never break a date. And if she breaks a date, she will definitely give a counter offer. What I mean by that means, if you ask her for a date on Monday, if she rejects that because she's been busy genuinely, then she may give a counter offer of meeting up on Tuesday or maybe Wednesday. But if she doesn't give a counter offer, that means mostly she is not into you. Okay? Never break a date, I told you. Also, it's very simple, guys. Make it complicated. See, whenever you meet a girl and if a girl is interested in you, her eyes will lit up. There will be a smile, like you can see the interest in her. Even if she is sitting cross-legged, she will be leaning towards you, facing towards you. Her eyes will be like this, like the way I'm making now. It's very crystal clear. But guys make it complicated. I don't know why. I know it's not their fault because this rumors have been spread around. So what? It's not their fault. It's just simple. People just complicate it. And her giving answers like I have to take the dog outside for a walk or maybe rejecting you. Never ever take these things personally or rationalize. Maybe she's busy, that's why she told me, but I will crack her later on. No, she's not interested in you. She herself doesn't know what her interest level will make her do. So she will react according to her interest level if she's interested in you. So don't rationalize, oh, maybe she's actually busy, I'll try after a week. No, she's not interested in you if she breaks the date. Okay? There is one short trick which I say. If you don't contact a girl for 2 weeks and if she doesn't contact you at all, whether in messaging or calling, that means she is not interested in you. This I'm talking about after you have gone with the girl for, you can say, 2 to 3 dates or maybe 5 dates. Not in the beginning. In the beginning, you have to contact her every week, once. But after you have gone for 4 or 5 dates, and after that, if you leave her for 2 weeks without contacting her, no contact actually, and if she contacts you within 2 weeks, then she may be interested, but if she doesn't, move on. Okay? Her chasing, her interest will keep increasing day by day with more dates. If the chasing and the interest doesn't increase day by day and the days are just passing on, that means she's not interested in you. She may be a professional dater, or she must be bored or lonely, that's why she's coming out with you, but she's not interested in you genuinely. Okay? So it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Hard work is not required. People think hard work, consistency, persistence, persuasion for a long time may help them crack the goal, but it's not true. It's not true. If she's not interested in you, nothing can crack her. Okay? The hard to get funda may work vice versa. That means if it like guys can play hard to get because they don't react according to their interest level. But with girls, it's not the case. Okay? Now what happens because of this now? People don't believe me in the beginning. Until and unless something very extreme happens like breakup or the girl leaves them permanently, then they come to me. But it's too late. Now that thing cannot be reversed. So I regret a lot when guys come to me very, very late. They come to me when the irreversible thing has happened. So I can't help. So I'm just making this video so that this doesn't happen and I come into play at this point of time only. So that guys don't make these mistakes of coming to me when it's very late. Okay? See, in video calling and chatting, you can't read her body language. Okay? It can be very deceptive. See, until and unless you meet that girl personally, you don't know what her interest level is, what her body language is, whether she's interested in you or not. In chatting, you're not seeing the body language. These things are only used to set a date. Remember that. So these are very deceptive. Okay? So see, sometimes it happens that you're not even trying, but she is interested in you and she becomes your girlfriend. Why does that happen? Because you will think, why is she behind me? Why she's always there where I am? I mean, whatever places I go, I see her. It's not coincidence. It's not coincidence or, something related or something. In Hindi we say ittefaq. It is not that. It is that she's interested in you. You're not able to figure out that thing. Sometimes guys have to take action. Seeing these things, and she will make it easy for you. She will help you. Sometimes girls are not that blunt and direct that they will say I love you. You have to take initiation and action. Then she may help you by playing with her hair, by smiling, blah blah blah. Whatever signs I told you, cross legs, situation. Very rarely some girls are there who are blunt. Some girls are there very blunt, but that's very rare. It's always better to initiate first. Very rarely people say love at first sight. It happens. It does happen. What happens in that case is the interest of the girl is so high. Like for example, if the 10 is highest, the girl's interest in the beginning only, in the first meeting itself, it's 9 or 10. So, she may say after 2-3 minutes only that I love you, or maybe in the first meeting itself, she may say I love you. But that's very rare. It's not that it's not possible. Remember, the more the interest, the easier it is to get her to become your girlfriend. The lesser the interest, the more hard work you have to do. For example, 10 to 5 is the romance level, but below 5 is not the romance level. So if it is below 5, then no matter what you do, nothing will happen. But if it is above 5, yes, you can convert it into making her your girlfriend. Provided you follow my techniques and right ways. If it is at 5, you will have to do more hard work. If it is at 7, less hard work. If it is at 9, or lesser hard work. Basically, the more the interest, the more she will help you. You will find it easier. Okay? Also, she will help, as I told you. Interest is high, so help will. If the interest is high, the help will keep increasing. Just a second, I'm actually going through what I have written. See, what happens? You may be the most handsome guy. You may be a billionaire. You may be extremely talented. But if she's not interested personally, she's not attracted physically towards you, then no matter what you do, she won't get attracted to you. Okay? No matter how handsome you look. But yes, money, fame, physical fitness, good looks definitely increases your chances with girls. But that's not the only thing. Due to this reason only, rich people like Brad Pitt and all are successful in getting girlfriends, but they are bad at maintaining relationships, Trust me on that. The girl leaves them after a point of time. If I have to tell the gist, girls don't play hard to get. Okay? They make it easier for you if they're interested in you. Secondly, they don't break the date. If they break, then they will definitely counter offer, as I explained in this. Also, her chasing and her interest will increase during the dates. The more the dates, her chasing and interest will increase. If it's not increasing, or if it's stagnant, or if it's reducing, until and unless you have done something wrong, that means she's not interested in you. She could be a professional dater, or maybe she's feeling lonely or something, and she just wants to meet you up. So interest level is a basic factor and the most important factor in girls' love towards you. So I'll definitely make a video on that for sure. And guys, if they don't give their own phone number and take your phone number, or maybe they give their Insta ID or Facebook ID, that means she's not interested in you. But if she gives you a phone number, then it's not 100% that she's interested in you, but it can be a great sign that she may be interested in you. That time and consistency will tell you in long run. So this is the gist. And do watch my complete video and like, subscribe, and press the bell notification so that you get the notification as soon as possible and I get the motivation. And share this video as much as possible. And here, if you press this button, you will subscribe to my channel. Here on this side, you will see 2 videos. If you want to watch these videos, you can click here. And guys, I want motivation, so please do subscribe. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you.